Hey everybody, this is day number 7, dose number 13. I weighed myself this morning and I weigh 221.6. That's from 225.8 or 9, I believe. I don't remember what the initial number was, but that's what the weight is now, 221.6. So my goal is 180, and I'll probably maybe get to it with the second dose. But anyway, I need to take my HCG, and I ate a little bit of oatmeal when I got home from work. My work schedule is a little bit weird, weirder than normal, because I sleep during the day, then I wake up, then I eat, then I'll go back to sleep for a little while, then I go to work. So I don't have like a normal, I wake up in the morning, weigh myself, then I have lunch, and then I have dinner, and a little light snack for breakfast or something. So my eating habits are a little weird, but I'm not hungry. I still haven't gotten over the physical craving for to go get something to eat. But as of right now, sitting here, I'm not hungry, but I'm like, oh, I'd like to go get something to eat. But it's just because it's normal. You got to break the habits. See, I know all these words today. You got to break the habits. Once you break the habits, then it'll be the diet goes much easier, and that takes about 10 days or so to break a habit, I think. So anyway, that's what I'm doing now. Is I'm just getting over the habit of wanting to eat. If I cheat, I cheat. Give in to the willpower, and just try not to eat something crazy. But don't go to a buffet, which is good. All the restaurants are closed right now, so all you can do is go get something at a drive-through. So anyway, I think every video I've done, my dog has walked across the floor. Here he comes again. Every video, or he drinks water. But anyway. He's a good dog. So anyway, I'm gonna take my HCG, and this is day 7. You've only got 15 days. It's a 15-day supply that I made, and you have to keep it refrigerated. So I'm gonna take my other dose right now, and I've marked my syringe so I can actually see what I'm getting now. Pretty soon it's going to be harder and harder to get it out of the bottle because the bottle gets more empty and it's hard to use this syringe to get it out. So anyway, there we go. So I'm going to take this, and then of course I'll be back. But yeah, it seems like whenever you take this, that's when everybody wants to talk to you. So just the way it is. So I will be back, and it probably be dinner time. I may eat lobster tail today. I'm not sure. I'm thinking lobster. So anyway, I'll be back.